Do you know that you can make from $3,000 upward monthly with your mobile phone from your comfort zone as a content creator right here in Nigeria? Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and today I'll be sharing with you my exact strategy, how I moved from $0 to $3,000 monthly and is growing consistently right from my comfort zone, and all I have is my phone and internet connectivity. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So how do I move from 0 to 3,000 USD and above? The first thing is my content strategy. I'm not here teaching you about creating a YouTube channel and all that. If you want to learn how to create YouTube channel, I will drop the link in the description of this video. But the beginning of my success is the day I decide to press record and start a YouTube channel. So YouTube changed my life, but I'm not here to talk only about YouTube, but I'm also talking about how I have been consistently earning in US dollars right here from Nigeria using mobile phone. So my content strategy, the first thing I will tell you is consistency beats talent. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what you have or what you don't have, it doesn't matter who stole your song, it doesn't matter who make it worse. All that matters is you have to make up your mind and press record. Press record. Pick up your phone and press record. So my content strategy and then consistency on the internet beats talent. No matter how talented you are, if you are not consistent and you don't have a plan, you don't have a strategy, you are going to fail woefully. So I make a lot of money because I'm consistent and I know how to decide exactly what is the next question that is going on in my audience mind, what is the next thing that they need help with. So for me to earn a lot, I have to serve the right audience. And if you're watching me now, you have a YouTube channel and you're wondering, oh, you're not getting views, or what is happening, or are you serving the wrong niche? I have made a video on how to carve a successful niche for yourself, because if you have not known what your niche or your topic or who is your target audience, you will not be able to strategize your content. So the first thing is strategy, like create your content strategy by knowing the exact things that you want to talk about and know what is the next question that could be going on in your audience mind, and then optimize your content in the way that it will be visible for your target audience. That's the first thing. The second thing I do is monetization strategy. Like, if you are in business and you are not making money, that means you are not in business. So either you like it or not, even if you are helping people, even if you are vlogging, you are sharing your lifestyle, whatsoever you are doing, if you are not thinking of how to make money from it, you will be having a lot of views. Like, I see someone that she was scared of going out, that she cannot bike. I say, why? That because people see her as a celebrity. I say, celebrity without money in your pocket. It's not about having 1 million followers on TikTok or having 10,000, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you're not making money, you don't have money, chill, climb your Okada, babe. Like, so you need to have a good monetization strategy. A lot of people waste so much time and effort thinking is all about the platform, but the platform just give you a place. You have to make the decision and you have to think outside the box. You have to have a strategy of earning from your content. So like, one, I make money from my YouTube channel. I make money trading cryptocurrency. I make money live streaming. I make money from my affiliate link. So how do I do this strategy apart from even YouTube itself that pays me for my view? Like, now I don't pay attention to how much I make on YouTube anymore, because I make so much of YouTube that the YouTube platform is what give me that space to do that. So my monetization strategy, number one, like on live streaming, On live streaming, what I do is, the first time I stumble on live streaming, let me use PoppoLive as an example. And if you're watching me, you don't know PoppoLive. PoppoLive is a live streaming platform that we use to live stream and earn money and do a lot of things as well. So on that PoppoLive, as I join, the first thing that I come to my mind, how do I make money on this platform apart from live streaming? So I just sit back, check myself, know what I can do better. I know I am talented, I know I can talk, and I know I love teaching. So I just check what I know how to do best, and then see how I monetize each and every platform, every mention, or any affiliate that comes my way. So I now decided, okay, let me become an agent so that I can be teaching people about this platform, showing them practically. And before you know, I started making money consistently on that platform. Another way I make money on crypto, even without trading, is as I create video about Bybit or other trading platform, I also register to be a partner on that platform. Like, I am a partner with Bybit now, meaning as I talk about Bybit, anyone that use my link to sign up and become a trader and start trading, I get commission for that referral. Not only that, as that person keep doing his trade, there is a commission Bybit pay me as a partner. So you need to like get your monetization strategy. It's not all about getting monetized on YouTube, getting 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and yeah, you are happy. Yes, you should be, but you should always have your monetization strategy aside from the AdSense that you get from your views. Another thing is affiliate marketing. Every product you talk about, ensure before you even create that video, go and do your research. Check if there is anything you can do before you create your video. As you bring up the title, as you optimize your video and all that, you need to know what is the aim of that video. Aside from, yes, you are helping people, people are watching, people are learning, what is your own benefits, you as a person, as you create that video? Aside from the YouTube AdSense, that what other thing can you do to benefit? Because you are buying data, you are using phone, and as you grow, like me now, I have this microphone, I have different microphones that I hardly use. I use lights, I use my voice, I beautified myself. Like, I bought this here, like I bought this flower, I bought everything. It's my business. So I love making money. Like, you have to like have a strategy for every content you are creating. What do you want to drive on? Is it that I want to get more viewers I want to get more viewers for this video, or I want more subscribers, or I want more people to click on my link? Or do you understand? So you have your own monetization strategy. Is very important. The next thing that I do, that I earn with my content consistently, month after month, from $3,000 upward, is I repurpose my content across other platforms. I promote my content by myself. I'm not doing paid advertisements, but as I create this video right now, I can decide okay, I can do a short video. I can just go to TikTok now and cut part of this video and refer people back to YouTube to come watch. By so doing, I am expanding my reach, and you never know how many people will come and buy my product or my services, or like this video, or join my email list and all that. So you need to learn how to repurpose your content on YouTube Shorts. Like right now, I can cut this video short and then put it, and once anybody that watch the short, I will drop the link, and if the person click, it will bring the person to this video in full. So you need to learn to repurpose your content. Another thing again that helped me a lot is taking people and building like an email list or a Telegram group or WhatsApp group. Is very important, because when people watch your video on YouTube, they might not necessarily come back. But when you have a link, like I have link of over 3,000 members in my Telegram group, where now if I post a video there and I pin it, like I cannot have less than, at least 50 people coming from there. Let me just bring it down that much. You understand? So it's very important, so that if you are building a list, either email list or group elsewhere, number one, if you're selling any products or services, you can reach out to them. You post, if you post your video, you get them and all that. So it's very important you build your email list. So I make money currently from my YouTube channel at the end of every month. In as much as you make over from $100 upward, YouTube will pay you every month. But if you do not make up to $100, they will keep the money for you the next month. If it gets up to $100 and above, they will now send to you. So $100 is this threshold. Number two, I make money from live streaming. I have multiple live streaming platforms that I talk about. I'll drop the link in the description of this video, where I live stream and I am an agent, and I talk about the platform, and I'm getting rewarded every day. What a time to be alive. Like, there was a day I went to bed, I withdrew my money, I went to bed. When I woke up the next morning, I saw almost $200 for sleeping. Like, the platform is telling me, well done, Japari, for sleeping and waking up. Take this. It can be that crazy if you put your mind to it. So I'm making money on YouTube. I'm making money from live streaming. I make money from my products and services. I still do one-on-one, but not like sometimes I can just take one person for the entire month. And I publish my books on Amazon. I still have online courses that I've created back then that people still go to them and buy, although I stopped promoting them because I want to do an upgraded version of all those online courses. So that is how I make money online using my mobile phone consistently. You too, you can do that. All you need to do is to press record. And if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And in the description of this video, I'll put a link to the playlist that I have done all the videos on how you can start a successful YouTube channel this year, how you can consistently get more views, engagement, YouTube growth tips, and all that. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.